Got a little bird nest.
What?
Shh.
No. I want.
There's the birdies.
Where is it?
Look at the birdies. They're on our front porch. Looks like there's 4 of them in the nest. No mama there. Hopefully she comes back with some worms. Look at it. Oh, so cute. So cute. It's a warm day for the birds.
What?
It's a warm day for the birds.
No,
We gotta see Mama come back and feed them. How fun that would be, huh?
I'll do it.
You wanna feed them?
Yeah.
We gotta watch, let the mama do that. There she is. Oh, good timing. That little birdie got some. Oh, we gotta move out of the way, Mama. We want to see. Oh boy. Ugh. Ugh. What? I never knew they did that. The bird just pooped and Mama grabbed it and took it out of the nest. Wow. That is something.
Oh, he put
I'm impressed. Wow. She takes care of that right away. That was so weird, but neat to see. 4 itty bitty birdies in that nest. 4 itty bitty birdies. And I can see this at my kitchen table.
Kitchen table?
Yeah, I'm sitting at the kitchen table watching them.
What? See out there.
They're out there.
Out there?
Yep, out there on my little post.
That'll be.
See if we can get another video of Mama. She'll come back. Hi, birdies.
Hi, birdies.